I've been. We're back. Fire's on. It's freezing this morning. And kettle's on too. Hang on. My torch on. I came on yesterday and that greenhouse door again, the last two panels of glass was smashed. So I'm going to replace them with some of that plastic today. And I'm going to have a tidy up in there. It's too dark at the minute. It's only 7:15. Excuse me. But yeah, I'll get a bit done today. Obviously. I'm not doing any filming yet. Or anything. Only brewing. Taking all that wood down today. Hopefully moving that frame. Yeah, a bit brighter in here, isn't it? There you go. Take my head torch off. Put it there. Yeah, so see you in a bit when I've had a brew and a cig and a chat with Ken when he comes on. And it's coming a bit lighter now. So I'm just emptying this water bucket with that pump. And I can move that. I've just put all my plastic panels behind there. All them are rubbish what's there. So they'll be being burned. I can have a fire here once I move all this. Before I move the flags. I'm just getting in readiness now for moving that big water butt over here in this corner. We'll move these down there and put that water butt here, but I think I should just be able to still get the shed round it. If not, it doesn't matter, I can get right back. Yeah, just waiting for this to empty now. Now what's the tidying up? Well, there you go. That's where that tank's going. I just need build it out at bottom. I need 4 ratchet straps, 2 for horizontal and 2 for vertical. And then I'll box it in the same as this. But now I'm just going to get a bit of this shed done. I've got a bit of time. Finish that feather bob and all that. There you go. That's where tunnel's going. So sits on there nicely level. So I'll just have to build the front and back up now. And then I'll order some sheet for it. But it'll only be from front to back because I'm not coming out front, doing all that with plastic. And, it'll have a big wind rate back, so that's going back in. Lifting. Yeah, looks okay, doesn't it? So obviously I'll go straight across there. So when I walk into there, probably have some more beds here up front to make them wider. Up to the tunnel. And yeah, that'll do. It's finally gone. Now we'll carry on with this wood here now. Ken's just been another brew. So we'll finish this off with the little one. So I'll show you in a bit. But there you go. Loads of space at front of the shed. 3 nice long beds there now, or 4 going that way. Probably 10 foot by 2 foot, 3 foot. 4 of them. And I should be able to fill that up. I need my chainsaw tomorrow because I need to cut some old sleepers up to block that tank in at the bottom. I need to put kettle on and I'll finish that wood off. That wood. There you go, finished boarding that off up to there. And I've put an edge on it, found some timber down there what I had left from that greenhouse. Yeah, looking better, isn't it? Needs a lick of paint now. I'll give it a lick of paint before I go. But yeah, it was brilliant. You sort all this crap out now, get some bags. But I've got 2 more days off. Right, let's go and get our kettle on. Kettle's boiling. It's 10:30. Oh, can't have that brew. I want mosey on home. I surely want Squire Sanders. Pick something up, but I've put a lick of paint on this. There goes, so it blends in better. So tomorrow I'm going to tidy up round here and have a bit of a fire. Get rid of some of this stuff. Now I've got that space there. But, I'll see you in the morning. Crack on with some more.